Hi everyone, my name is Christy, and if you couldn't already guess, and by the title of this video, welcome to my Fall 2021 Vinyl unboxing! I am so excited about this. This box is heavy, so let me put it down for a second. If you've seen my previous unboxings of the Vinyl seasonal subscription box, you know that it is one of my absolute favorite subscription boxes. It is truly perfect for me. I think it is just everything I could ask for in a subscription box. So it's a wine and lifestyle seasonal box that only costs $59.99 per box per season, and the value that you get in these boxes I think is amazing. The range of products I think is perfect, and I am so excited to see what's in this fall box. Before I do, I want to make sure to give you some important information and also thank Vinyl for sending me this box for free. This is not a sponsored video, but I do always give a disclaimer when a product is sent to me for free. And I also want to thank Vinyl for giving you guys an awesome hookup as well, because if you use the code Christy, you'll always get a free third bottle of wine in your subscription. Every single box that you get after signing up with the code Christy, you'll get that free bottle of wine. So I just love that. It's like I'm always giving you a bottle of wine each season as a present from me to you. Not really, I guess it's from Vinyl, but I just think that is the best promo. And if you sign up with this code for the fall box, there's also another amazing surprise, but I'm gonna wait till I unbox that to show you what that is. But so you get 5 to 6 full-size lifestyle products in every box and 2 bottles of wine, but if you use the code Christy, you'll get 3 bottles of wine. All of that for $59.99, which I think is incredible. And so moving on to the unboxing, you get another box inside of the box with the lifestyle products, and then at the bottom is the wine. So why don't I show you the wines that I get, but you can also personalize the types of wines that you want to get if you prefer whites, reds, a mix. I really like all wines, so let's see what I got. And this is the brand New Crush, which is so cute. If you can see the packaging with the heart, which this is from California, and it's the Chardonnay 2019. And Chardonnay is my favorite white wine. I am so excited to get this. The wines are premium California and South African wines that retail for $24 each. So that's some pretty nice wine for what I tend to drink. The next type of wine that I got is the Tynes California Merlot 2019. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Like any bottle of wine that I get, I'm gonna be so excited, but these are premium wines. And then the third bottle here, look at how beautiful this bottle is. Wicked Bliss 2018 California Syrah. Syrah. I don't even really know how to pronounce that. So I don't think I've ever tried Syrah before, so I'm really excited to try it out. It's also a great way to try new wines, which I think is so fun. And another great thing about this subscription is, well, you can of course get it for someone as a gift, but you can also change the address that your box is being sent to each season. So like winter coming up, maybe you would want to send it to someone as a holiday present. Maybe someone has a birthday around one of the other seasons. But I also think this is an incredible gift to get someone, or just gift it for yourself. Get yourself this subscription because you're giving them 3 bottles of wine, but also all of the products that come in here. So let's see what is in here. I'm so excited. And so they give great product information, which I really appreciate. Okay, so on top here, beautifully packaged, it says designed with love in Venice, California. Jules Smith. Oh, I know this brand. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I love these These are, what would you call these? Like cuff bracelets. The Jewel Smith Cosmic Cuff Set bracelets retails for $58. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. It has, I'll show you, a star and a moon. And I have actually been needing some new bracelets, so this is perfect for me. So on trend. So there's two bracelets here. And here you can see what they look like. It's the black rhinestones and then the star and the moon. Oh my gosh, I love these. These are so perfect. Oh my gosh. And such a great gift, right? All right, next up. Oh, I see a wine bottle peeking out. Carly Rae Studio. Look at this. I enjoy long romantic walks down the wine aisle. That is so cute. Like a reusable canvas bag. The Carly Rae Studio Wine Lover Tote Bag retails for $18. And then snacks. Oh my gosh. Sweet Chaos, delightfully disruptive. Drizzled popcorn. Stop it. I love drizzled popcorn. And this is vanilla chai flavored. That sounds so good. This is seriously a perfect snack for me. See, I love that you also get snack, jewelry, like lifestyle. It's just, it hits all the bases. It covers everything I could want in a subscription box. I just think this is so perfect. One perfect thing after another. Like, let's see what this is. No way. This box, it's like they read my mind. This is from the brand Refresh Sweet Vanilla Dry Shampoo. I literally put dry shampoo on my shopping list yesterday. Here I was saying that I needed new bracelets, I need a new dry shampoo, and I got some right here. Oh my goodness. I have not tried this kind out, but look at the size of this. This is huge. And I love that it's in a sweet vanilla scent. So we even get hair products in this box. Oh my gosh. The Refresh Dry Shampoo retails for $9. Oh my gosh. Seriously, it's like perfect. Everything is perfect. This next thing. Oh my goodness. Yep, we get fashion in this box as well. And this is so soft. Is this cashmere? It feels like it. This is the Willow Collective Blanket Scarf that retails for $35. This is amazing. A gorgeous plaid pattern. And seriously, like, you cannot believe how soft this is. Oh my goodness. I love scarves like this. And this is huge. It is so stylish. I love it. Oh my goodness. And the free gift, if you sign up, it's seriously perfect. A huge eyeshadow palette. Like, I mean, if you're familiar with me and my channel, you know I love makeup and I love eyeshadow palettes. And this here is from the brand Laritzi Cosmetics, which I really enjoy. And this is their Athena palette. And I have a whole dedicated review tutorial video on this palette that I will have linked in the description down below if you want to check it out. But I think this palette is so gorgeous. Look at all of these colors. These pans are huge and you can use these as a blush, highlighter, on the eyes. It's seriously such a beautiful palette and it retails for $48. So bonus gift of $48. If you sign up, you'll get this palette and you'll get a third bottle of wine if you use the code Christy. So if you're gonna sign up, please make sure you use that promo code because I do not want you to miss out on this eyeshadow palette and on a free extra bottle of wine for every single box that you get. So this box cost $59.99 and the total retail value comes out to $244. Amazing. And the products in here, amazing. I love every single one. I'm so excited about this box. I just feel like every single season I am absolutely blown away by the Vino box. I just feel like it's the ultimate treat yourself box or treat someone else in your life. I know that I would definitely have FOMO if I got this for someone else and didn't also get it for myself. But I just can't say enough good things about this box. If you've gotten the Vino subscription, please let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And if you've tried any of these products, I'd love to hear your thoughts on them. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.